Hi guys, this is Cruise Tech Videos again with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create new folders on your computer. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Need better organization for your files and documents? If you group related files into separate folders on your laptop or desktop, it will always be easier to find what you need. And you can resize the icon to make it more visible. Here are some ways to quickly create a new folder in Windows 10. This is the fastest way to create a new folder in Windows 10. First, navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. Then hold down the CTRL Shift and N keys simultaneously. Windows will immediately create the new folder. Finally, enter your desired folder name. But be sure to start typing your folder name as soon as the folder appears. Because if you click on the folder or click away from the file explorer, the folder name will be new folder and you have to rename it. First, navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. Then, right click on an empty space. After that, select New and then Folder. Windows will create the new folder in your current location. If you want to create subfolders within the folder, you can click on the folder and do the same as we did before. Another simple way to create a new folder is to use the New Folder button in the File Explorer menu. When you click the New Folder button here, it will quickly create a new folder so you can rename it if you want. These three methods are the simplest and quickest way to create a new folder, so you can get right to organizing your files. Thanks for watching this video.